Okay, I'm Jens Otto Lange, and I'm here to promote the idea of first creativity jam in Hamburg. Oh, that's only me, please. Yeah, a jam, what is a jam? Is it something sweet? No, yes. To make it more tangible for you, I would just tell you a little story how I found my way into the jam. Because I'm an online innovation manager and I work now for quite a long time in creative processes, and I've found that you always have to embed stakeholders into the creative process to have really a successful outcome. And that's because, like all of you, I suppose, I found that workshops are a very good way to do so. But I created lots of different experiments how to format the workshop. This is a medium-sized company here, you see. But I had to create it once and once again. Every time I did it again, and I found it not very efficient until I did this training at the D School here in Potsdam, where I found that with this design thinking framework, you can really redesign your workshop on, and it's much more effective to reach results. And then some weeks later, I participated here in Berlin. Two guys are here, I think Martin and Manuel, at my first jam. And the jam is a creative event, a weekend, where you have a creative session, a design thinking session in one weekend. It was created by these two guys here, or one is here, hi, Adam and Edgar from Nuremberg, service design consultants. And they had the idea to do a global event, which is located, self-organized, and they did it twice a year. Not they did it, but the whole community. The one is the Global Service Jam, and the other one is the Global Sustainability Jam, which will be upcoming next first weekend in November, this November, which is focusing on sustainability topics. But they are pretty much the same creative process, and we have now already 50 locations worldwide. One is Hamburg, my location, which will meet on this 2nd to 4th November to work out sustainable solutions. And yes, how does it work? You come there on a Friday evening, like I did here in Berlin, and there will be revealed the secret of the theme, which is not known before. And this theme is the same theme for every country. And then you start working with people there in your team. And you do, of course, user research. You go on the street, you ask people, you collect the knowledge. So all of you might think this, but this is just one weekend where we do this. And based on these, of course, you do personas. You find, in a parallel process, you find your team. I mean, you work with people you don't know. You have to get the same mindset now, so there's really much a team experience. And after doing that, you reframe again your challenge. You do ideation process, so you collect a lot of ideas. You select the best ideas. That's same as you all know, but it's one weekend only, and you have people there that don't know this process, and of course you prototype. So it's about doing, not talking. This is the basic mantra, Adam, isn't it? Doing, not talking. So doing means prototyping, and prototyping is just the medium to communicate your idea to the other people there in the audience. This is, for example, an outcome of the last Sustainability Jam, a little service for tourists, which is sustainable because you produce energy while you use this bike. Yeah, at the end of the jam, of the weekend, you present your idea to the audience there, and after that you document it a bit with photos, presentations, and upload it to the global global sustainability service jam space. So at the end, or basically, it's a service design thinking process in just 48 hours. So it's about understanding the problem, reframe your challenge and ideate, prototype it and present it. But there's something else. You have speakers around Sustainability Jam. So you will learn a bit. You will have a lot of eat and drinks and food, of course. And you will have, of course, there's a lot of social media buzz around it globally, so you can scan what the other locations do during this weekend, and some, of course, on-site action, and you will definitely make new friends there. So I warmly invite you to participate to the first global, no, it's the Creativity Jam Hamburg, the first one ever in Hamburg. So these are your hosts, it's Britta, Peggy, Christian and me. And it will be on the first weekend of November, and we are one of 5 cities in Germany that participate. Yeah, we still look for some sponsors, media partners, speakers, and even participants. So just check creativityjam.de, and we're happy to say hello to you. Okay, thanks.